Explore the all-new Yamaha X-Max 300 2022. Tech-Max has been developed from his big brother legendary T-Max. It's not a surprise that it's only one of the most impressive scooter in its class. With the true unique features of this limited edition, you can be truly sharp on the road. The all-new X-Max 300 Tech-Max 2022, Yamaha Motors designed it to the max. This mid-size sporty scooter is a limited edition and have exclusive Tech-Max features include a special seat, special finished leads, special end grips, aluminum footrest, cool graphics, and chrome speedo ring. And this unique package is completed with a sleek tech camo color option na para siyang buhok na napaka-smooth, makintab at maayos sa paningin, and aggressive smoke taillights. The large under-seat storage compartment ay meron itong built-in internal LED lamp at kasya ang dalawang full-face helmets at may extra space pa, making it a practical and functional daily commuter, or if you're heading out for some leisure riding, it's a perfect place to carry everything from swimming gear to a picnic lunch. Meron pa rin itong smart key ignition system para maging simple at convenient. As long as you're carrying the smart key, it's possible to turn the X-Max 300 Tech-Max on, unlock the steering and seat, and gain access to its fuel tank and U-box. There's also a remote control for locking and locating your scooter, just one press of the button. The X-Max 300 Tech-Max comes with a traction control system as standard feature. This advanced electronic system prevents the rear tire from losing traction by reducing drive to the wheel if the sensors detects any slip, giving confidence and feelings of safety on slippery surface. Yamaha's advanced Blue Core technology and Euro 5 compliant engine helps more power using less fuel. The X-Max 300 Tech-Max engine is powered by 292cc displacement, 4 valves, 4-stroke, single cylinder, single overhead cam, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, V-belt automatic transmission at maximum power of 20.6 kW at 7,250 RPM with a peak torque of 29 Nm at 5,750 RPM with average fuel consumption of 3 liters per 100 kilometers. Compression ratio 10.9:1 with a fuel tank capacity of 13.6 liters. The large multi-function instrument panel emphasizes the scooter's quality and contains a wealth of clearly displayed information, as well as the large analog speedometer and tachometer. The LCD multi-function display includes a fuel gauge, clock, trip meter, and more. The powerful LED daytime riding lights project an ultra-bright beam for a better view of the road. And because they use less electrical power, the engine runs more efficiently. This premium model is also equipped with front and rear LED position lights that help to make this mid-size sporty scooter visible to road users. Taking its cue from the high-performance T-Max, the X-Max 300 Tech-Max is equipped with motorcycle-style telescopic front forks that delivers a comfortable ride with easy steering and agile handling. Giving plenty of front-wheel travel, these high-specification forks soak up bumps and give motorcycle levels of handling and stability. And it is fitted with USB socket charger, that is located in the left panel in front of the rider. This handy feature enables you to power a GPS navigational system or charge other devices while you're on the move, making this dynamic and sporty 300 a practical and functional scooter that is ideal for commuting and leisure riding. The X-Max TechMax 300 has a rear tire of 140/70/14 and front tire is 120/70/15, and it has a seat height of 795mm and a weight of 180 kilograms, and with a 267mm disc brake ABS in front and 245mm ABS disc brake at the rear. And also it has a wide, clear, and adjustable windshield on the front. And the new X-Max 300 2022 TechMax Limited Edition is expected to come out on the market in the second quarter of 2022. And the price range is more or less to 260,000 Philippine peso. Dahil umabot ka dito sa dulo, ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa iyo ng lubos. God bless you more po. Don't forget to give us a like and share this video, at kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please click that subscribe button at i-hit ang notification bell all para i-notify ka ni YouTube sa mga i-upload nating videos. So mga Lods, ride safe, keep safe, and be an inspiration and blessings to others guys. So bye! See ya! Peace out!